Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. Today we are going to promote a ClickBank product and I'm gonna show you step by step how to promote a ClickBank product. This is going to be entirely great product and absolutely great product which any beginner can promote and make some money online. Okay, so now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is really very important and you are very eager to make some great cash online. So now let's get started. So the first thing which we will do is that we will be going on a website which is known as Pinterest. Okay, so I have searched a keyword on Pinterest. Why I have searched this keyword? Because this is a very big niche. Okay, but this niche is topped by very few people. Very few people create content on this niche and sell their products on this niche. But you are having an opportunity to promote the product of this niche, and this niche has really high conversion rate, and that's the reason why I am showing you this niche. But to be honest with you, I am not promoting products in this niche, but as I have worked in the past with this niche, I know that this niche has very good and I have made sales by using this niche. Okay, so that's really good. And now understand this niche, how you can promote products in this niche. This is woodworking niche. Okay, so let's see what this guy is doing. Okay, so this website, so let's click on. So now let us analyze what this guy is doing. Okay, so this is a landing page. Okay, this landing page is built with a free, this is a free Weebly website. Okay, with that Weebly website, this guy has built this landing page. Okay, and it looks promising. It's a great landing page. Okay, so you can see this is the landing page which is built by that guy. Okay, and let's see which product he is promoting. Okay, this is how we discover the products. Okay, and these products are really selling very high. Okay, so this is a ClickBank product which is known as Ted's Woodworking. Yeah, this is a Ted's Woodworking product. Okay, and yeah, that's it. This is that product, and you can see it's $67, and if you are gonna make one sale of this product, you are gonna get $52. Okay, so $52 per sale. That's a very good amount of money which you can make with this product, because if you are just going to get 10 sales in a month, even then you are gonna make $500. Okay, just in a month. Okay, that's extra income which will supplement your current income, and you can have some extra dinners as you wish, or you can buy some extra stuff which you like, or you can just invest that money into learning more so that you can earn more in the future. That's a choice, whatever you do with this extra $500 which you are going to make if you take action on this strategy. Okay, so this is the product. Now let's go and see the product. So let me open my ClickBank account. So this is the my ClickBank account, and if you haven't had a ClickBank account until now, then just go and create an account on ClickBank. It's really important if you really want to make money, because most of the affiliates in the world start affiliate marketing with Amazon, and the second platform which they choose to do affiliate marketing is ClickBank. Okay, and products for almost all the categories are available on ClickBank. So this is the product which is on ClickBank which that person is promoting. This is Ted's Woodworking, and you can see its gravity. Okay, it's 190. Yeah, but to be honest with you, I am currently not promoting this product. Okay, not promoting this product. I am not promoting, but I can show you the strategy to promote this product which I used in the past. Okay, because I promoted this product in the past. Okay, so you can see, so this is the product Ted's Woodworking. It's really great product. It's been on a ClickBank since 1 to 2 years, and it's still selling at this high gravity. And this is the reason why I am recommending this product to promote, because it's a great product and people really love this product and are still interested in buying this product. Okay, so now we will just click on this promote button and get your affiliate link. Okay, so this is how you work with ClickBank. Bank. Now let me show you how you are going to promote this product. Okay, so to promote this product, all you need to do is first go to Pinterest. Okay, and you can see these are just 1 minute videos over here. Okay, now let's go to a website from where we can find this type of videos. Instagram.com. Okay, okay, this is not the browser on which I have my Instagram. It's here. Okay, now Instagram. Okay, so this is our Instagram page. If you want, you can follow this page. Okay, now let's search for woodworking videos. Okay, hashtag woodworking videos. So there are so many of this woodworking videos, and you can see there are a lot of views on this videos. So all you need to do is just click on one of the video, whichever you like. Okay, you now just copy the link of this video. Now Control A, Control C. Now go to this website which is known as Gramsave. Gramsave.com. And just download this video and click on download button. Okay, now you can download this video utilizing this method. Okay, so this is how you download a video. After downloading this video, all you need to do is go to Pinterest. Okay, and just click on this pin, create pin. Drag your video over here and upload your video to this Pinterest. Okay, and then just create a new board which is like woodworking. Okay, just create a new board, just post your video over here, then create a board which is woodworking, then add the title, add the description, and for here you have to add your ClickBank affiliate link. Okay, directly just copy the link from ClickBank. Let me show you. Okay, so here it is. This is how you just click on this promote and you can get your affiliate link. Okay, so just click on generate hop link, the affiliate okay, let me type my affiliate name. Okay, by mistake. Once a minute. This I forgot to type P. Let me type it again. Generate hop link. Okay, so this is the hop link. Okay, now just copy this hop link from this. This is your affiliate link. Now just go to over here, paste your affiliate link over here. Don't shorten this link. Okay, you just have to paste the raw link on Pinterest. Okay, that's really very important. Or you can build a landing page just like this guy has built over here. Okay, you can build this type of landing page with Weebly absolutely for free. Okay, so this guy has used the website which is known as Weebly, and you can create this type of landing page absolutely for free. Or if you don't know how to make a landing page and want to learn how to make a landing page, then you can check out videos on my YouTube channel. There is a video in which I have taught how to make a landing page. Okay, so just search for that video and you can just learn how to make a landing page, and then you can create a landing page for the particular product. Okay, that's really simple. And then just click on publish, and that's it. This is how you are going to promote this on Pinterest. But stay over in this video because I'm gonna show you something which is really higher converting than Pinterest. Okay, so something which can get you more results than promoting just on Pinterest. Okay, you may get 5 to 10 sales in a month if you just promote this on Pinterest. Okay, but if you promote this on YouTube, then you can make up to 100 sales every month. And now let me show you. Just type in the keyword woodworking, and you can see this lot of videos appear over here. Just filter out with the Creative Commons and you can just see there are lots and lots, thousands of Creative Commons videos for this particular type. Okay, now what you have to do is you just have to download 2 to 3 videos of this, okay, and just combine those videos and make a compilation, okay, and then you can upload those compilations to YouTube. But you need to do this for 1 or 2 months, consistently upload one video every single day on YouTube, and you have to provide your affiliate link in the description of that particular YouTube video, okay, and then you can start making sales with this, okay, and this can earn you a lot of money, okay. But the thing about Creative Commons video is that you have to download the video, but don't directly re-upload that video to YouTube because you cannot get that video monetized. But if you make some changes in that video, like you can download 2 videos from here, combine those 2 videos and then re-upload to YouTube, and then after that you have got a thing that you can also monetize the video with AdSense, as well as you will be monetizing your video with the ClickBank product, okay. So that's really great. So just download 2 videos, join them in the video editor which I use, and that video editor is known as OpenShot Video Editor, which is free, okay. You can download that video editor from Google absolutely for free. It is an open source software, okay. Just combine these videos in that editor, and if you don't know how to use that video editor, just see watch out some of the tutorials on that, okay. Now if you have to download, if you want to download these videos, all you need to do is just filter out with Creative Commons, and now you can use all these videos, okay. So that's really very important. If you don't do that, then you can get a copyright strike. Now if you want to download this video, then go to this website ytmp3.cc, okay. Now what you have to do is copy the link of a particular video. Just click over here, copy link address. Now go to this website, paste, click on this mp4, then just paste over the video link, okay. Control V, click on convert, and after some time a download link will be available, okay, and then you can download this video to your computer, then download another video to your computer, combine those 2 videos and then re-upload to YouTube, okay. That's what you can do, and now you can download this, okay. That's really simple. All you need to do is download some of the videos from over here, then make a compilation videos up to 10 minutes long, and then start uploading those videos to YouTube, okay. Just do this for 2 to 3 months consistently. Post a video every single day, and you can see in 2 to 3 months you would be making almost $2,000 to $3,000 of affiliate commissions coming directly to your bank account from ClickBank, okay. This is the strategy which really works, okay, and this strategy can earn you a lot of money. But the thing is that you need to take action. You need to take a long-term action. Don't just sit over there and just keep saying that I may earn money, but take this small action and you can start earning money with your laptop, or you can also do this with your smartphone and start making some real money, okay. I don't talk about methods which don't really make you any money, but I talk about serious methods which can make you a sustainable income and even make you quit your 9 to 5 job, okay. So if you want to quit your 9 to 5 job, then just take this method seriously, take action on this method seriously, and you will be able to quit your 9 to 5 job and become an online affiliate marketer full time, and you may make a lot more money than you were earning in your job. This is something which I teach here on my YouTube channel. I teach about make money online, affiliate marketing, online business. I have been marketing since 3 years, and that's the reason why I am teaching all this stuff on YouTube absolutely for free. So if you like my content, if you got some great value on this video, just press the like button, as well as the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with the awesome video just like this. Now we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.